Yeah. No, you don't. You're fine. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Hang on. Jeez, old Pete. I don't know. I guess.
What part's broken?
Perfect. The sound. I fixed it.
Oh, okay.
Luckily, I've done this a bunch of times. Okay. We have one pineapple.
Oh. I'm gonna go to the store, huh?
Yep.
you.
Well, we might be able to salvage it. Hang on. Maybe.
Some questionable pineapple here. Let's see.
The pineapple may have gotten a little bit too ripe. See if we can save enough of it to do what we need to do here.
Be like, just kidding.
Yeah, JK, be back in a minute.
Food and drink stream starting in 1 hour. Hopefully it's just the bottom.
It seems to be okay. It's alright. It just was that first cut was a little bad. Yeah, this will work. I'll just trim off any of the not so awesome, and next time we know we need to use it a little sooner. Well, it's alright. It's all a learning experience. Alright.
Okay.
Basically, I'm just trimming off. Yeah, the first part was not good, for sure. We're gonna have to trim off.
You want to cut this into 4 tablespoons?
Sure.
And I'm gonna get a little pan.
There you go.
Thank you.
Alright, let's see. Probably need to take a little bit more of this off. Hey, what's up, Mueller?
So we're mostly gonna have a cherry upside down cake.
No,
It looks good.
It looks good. It's just I gotta trim off the not so good parts. But I think that's normal on any pineapple, right? Let's be real. All right. Oh, Raffalamo. Yo, what's up?
Raffle.
Raffalamo.
Oh.